Hi listeners. Welcome back to Percakapan channel. Learning English and Bahasa Indonesia. Today you're going to listen to a short story. First part, you listen to a short story, then answer the questions based on the story you've heard. Last part, you retell the story again in your own words. Let's start listening now. 3. Talking about things to wear. Have you noticed that men and women have very different opinions about clothing? Mr. Harper, for example, has probably been wearing the same clothes for several years and intends to wear them for several more. He's very happy if his clothes last for a long time. He only needs a couple of suits and a sports coat and slacks. Occasionally he buys a shirt, a pair of socks, some underwear, or a new tie. Mr. Harper is confident that he has enough clothing. He thinks that his wife has plenty of clothes too. She has several dresses, some skirts and blouses, and a few pairs of shoes. But whenever they plan to go out for the evening, she says, "I don't know what to do. I have nothing to wear." "What about all the things in your closet?" Mr. Harper asks his wife. But he knows what the answer will be. One dress is out of style, another is too small or too short, and the third just doesn't appeal to her anymore. Sometimes Mr. Harper can persuade his wife that something from her closet looks good on her. But once in a while she insists on going shopping for a new dress and new shoes. Mr. Harper talks a lot, but he doesn't really mind if his wife buys new clothes once in a while. Actually, he likes her to look attractive when they go to the theater or to a party. Questions. 1. Why do you think women need more clothing than men? 2. How long does Mr. Harper wear the same clothes? 3. What does he buy occasionally? 4. What does his wife have in her closet? 5. Why does she frequently say that she has nothing to wear? 6. Why doesn't Mr. Harper mind if his wife buys new clothes once in a while? 7. Do you think men worry about styles as much as women do? Now please retell the story again in your own words. That's the end of the lesson. Don't forget to subscribe, like, give comment and share this link to others. See ya.